Hi everyone, I'm Jens, and a lot of you has been asking me what do I do, what is my actual job, and where do I actually work at. So today I'm going to show you a little bit more of my office and give you guys an office tour together with HSA technology to show you guys how smart is my office. So once I'm in the office, what I would normally do is go on to the Vera app, which is my smart office systems app. I will just turn on the lights and also the aircon. So one thing I really like about my room is the blind. It's all motorized. I would also play some music on my Google Home Mini to set up my working mode.
Hey Google, play me some music.
Sometimes when it's really cold, I could also adjust the temperature through the app. Oh hi, you're here!
Yeah,
Come in, I just opened the door for you.
okay.
That's all for my video today, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video and my office tour. I'm really super thankful for HSA technology for helping me to set up with this whole smart office system because it really made my work life a lot more productive and also efficient. So I really hope that you enjoyed my video today, and I'll see you again next time.